everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen Chomanwikwe and I'm so happy to have you here. Alright, in today's video we are going to be talking about how to correctly install a casement window. Now, first thing you need to do before you install your casement window is what? Measure and crack the walls to your window size, as you can see in the video. Then you go ahead and test fit your casement window. As you can see what the man is doing, he's trying to test fit the window if the window is actually fitted properly. Okay. Now you need to ensure that the window fits correctly into the opening, because if it doesn't, it may cause some hazard or it may cause crack. Now, another thing you need to do is to set the window into the opening, as you can see, and then make sure that your window is properly secured and tacked properly. All right, so you tack it properly, either with a wooden, with a wood, or you can use a stone. It depends on what you have. All right, but we are using a wood in our video. Then make sure that you tack your window properly. This will help secure it more. All right, okay. And again, when you are doing that, you need to make sure that your window is leveled properly. As you can see, the level 2 he's using there. All right, you use that to show to help you detect if the window is properly seated on your opening. Now that is what he's doing. You see, he's trying to check, he's trying to plumb the window to make sure that the window is level, as I said earlier. And again, when you do that, if there's any possible adjustment to it, what do? You tackle it, you tack it in again with any of the wooden materials. Then after that, you go ahead and secure the window with mortar mix. All right, so make sure you secure it with what? With mortar mix, and please ensure that the window are clean immediately after applying the mortar. All right, so you can use a small brush to clean the debris and dust from the window track immediately after the mortar is being applied. After the mortar is applied, you quickly clean up the debris that are sitting on the window. You can also use vacuum crevice tool to remove hard to reach dirt in the tracks. All right, and with this we'll end up not having any form of dirt sitting, or maybe mortar drying up on our windows, making it very difficult for removal during our general cleaning. So try to ensure that your windows are properly prepped, they're cleaned as you can see in the video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. All right, bye.